From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming April 5th non-farm payroll Friday trading session in the Euro US dollar. And as you can see, we had a very interesting Thursday. This was an ECB meeting day. You can see that the market had fallen quite significantly, found support right around the 1.2725 area again, and then bounced enough to form a pretty wicked looking hammer. This is a very bullish sign, except there are a lot of things really kind of working against this currency at the moment. And as a result, I think this really, at least for the astute investor or trader, is going to set up a nice selling opportunity. The 130 level should continue to be a place of interest. The 50-day moving average, this is the exponential moving average for that matter, has been quite dynamic in both support and resistance. You can see that we can't quite get there. And that's roughly where we're getting close to at present time. With non-farm payroll coming up, that will slap this pair around quite a bit, but in reality, a lot of times this pair will end up basically where it started. At least that's the pattern that I've noticed over the last couple of years. It's pretty rare to see a non-farm payroll report that really sends us in one direction anymore. It'll jump 60, 70 pips. It will go back to where it started, fall another 40, and then go back to where it started over and over. And quite frankly, non-farm payroll Fridays are almost untradeable at this point. But having said that, that could leave us somewhere in this general vicinity, which at that point in time, you have to start to ask some questions about, are we looking at some type of trend line that's holding up? The 50-day moving average, is that holding up? The 130 level, most certainly, is that holding up? So my thinking on this pair right now isn't to buy it. I think we're getting a little bit of a bounce, and quite frankly, it's probably overdue. As you can see, we've fallen significantly. If you pull up a Fibonacci retracement tool, really the 130 is only about 23.6 or so. So we could go as high as 131 and still only hit the 38.2. So there are plenty of reasons to think that a bounce could come, but it really doesn't change much in the long term. There are still a lot of concerns throughout the European Union, especially with the banks, and really that whole situation in Cyprus where it was suggested that that could be a template, although it was walked back later, of future bank problems really kind of shook the confidence in the EU going forward. So that being the case, I still prefer to sell this currency, but I think we may get a little bit of a bounce, but that's fine. I can just sell the euro at a higher level on signs of resistance. Above 131, then I have to start asking questions about whether or not the trend isn't changing for the time being. After all, in all honesty, this pair does tend to whip around, and there are times when the market simply ignores what's going on in Europe. I don't think we're there yet, but if we do get above 131, then it's very possible we may forget about it for a while. A lot of skeletons in that closet, though.